Hello everyone. Here I am to share my live plant purchase. So it's very reasonable, though they came very delicately packed, but the plants they are very beautiful. I got these plants from Shanti Plants online. We'll give the link in the description. You can check. All the prices are very reasonable. Must have, I'll say. And in this situations, such plants coming to your home, it's very, I can't say. They came in good packaging. So it came in this cardboard box. Okay, no problem. Some cocoa peat has been all over this box and it's degradable. So for this, I'll give to all their hard work 10 on 10. I will see the each and every plant individually. This is silver oak plant. I got this for just 20 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. Just 20. Even I didn't believe that they are selling plant for 20 rupees. It's very beautiful. I wish why I didn't order more. Next time we'll see. So and then this is guava, pink guava. Sorry. Then I had this Barbados cherry. Even this is of 25 or 20 rupees. That's it. So this I got two samplings. I'll plant them and even update how they are growing. Then there's a Desi rose. This is also 20 rupees I guess. Then it's Crossandra. It's also 20 rupees. So two I got. Then though they are grown from cuttings and some from the seeds, you can see the root growth. So healthy they are. So immediately you can just place them in the soil, and since if it is done in the rainy season, then your plants will survive for years, for sure. Now this is Simora glauco, commonly known as bitterwood or Lakshmi tree or paradise tree. So I like the leaves and the name Lakshmi, so I got this. So after searching the uses of it, found that the seeds of this plant are used to produce edible oil. Then the bark of the trees is used to make toys and all. So we'll try to make a bonsai of this. Then here it is wood apple. So it was completely only roots. It was with roots. So immediately I just placed in the whatever pot I got. I'll just show closely. See the leaves. Another best part of their service is they ship across India. So do try it. So immediately after bringing it, I just placed in one empty pot and just give them a water wash so that they get relieved some water. All the dirt goes off. Why I'll recommend this site to everyone. Two reasons. First one, the quality of the plants. Yes, it's very good. Though we go and take from the nurseries big pots, we pay heavy money, but after sometimes, even though we take at most 100% care, they don't do well. The reason is the mud and what they pack it. Mostly they do it in the black soil or some or the other. Some reasons they won't stay. But at such stages, even if the plant die, so you'll not feel too bad. It's okay, some attachment will have, but it will be quite okay. So do try this site. It's really very wonderful. I was really happy to see all these plants in such a small box, and even got this complimentary, this oleander and basil. Since it doesn't have the water for in the transport, it's like this. Soon it will get back. So this was my purchase. Hope you like this. Please do share with your friends. Also order them. Maybe the courier, there may be delay due to the present COVID situations, but surely they do respond through phone or email that is being provided on their website. I had a wonderful experience. So 10 on 10 to Shanti Online Plants. Very good to try. Overall, it's a along with shipping, it was merely some 300, I guess. I don't remember the receipt. So it was way too happy. Once again, thanks for watching, and do share and subscribe if you are new, if you haven't subscribed. Every time we ask you to subscribe the channel, like the video, share with friends, you may ask us what we will get by doing all this, right? I'll tell you. If you give like to the video, then we'll get the boost up or some more interest to create some more good conduct, present a good conduct and share with you. And if you like it, you'll be the, and if you'll share with your friends, you'll be the one who spreads a good content or good knowledge. And if you subscribe it, you'll get the notification of the upcoming videos or whatever I will post or the post. So do consider subscribing. Thank you.